kay Pastor Arsen Aguilar. So masarap na haning kay Pastor ka na. Let's go!
Let's go! Bading!
No good, 3-1-5, out of bounds, ball stays with Blue Knights. Shoutout po ako si Baroy. Baroy Umani, ang aking idol. No good, 3-1-5 Punaw. No foul! Foul by jersey number 11. Number 11, Charlie Anonoy. First personal foul, first team foul. Shooting 2, Nuno Punaw. First shot is good. Deadlock, all 43. Second shot, makukuha kayo ni Punaw. Nugget, 3-5. Foul. Foul by jersey number 29, Jerome Damasco. First personal foul, first team foul of Blue Knights. Ramirez, pass 2. Number 15, to Anonoy, 83. Nugget, 3-5. Baroy, Ukani. Ukani, foul. Foul by jersey number 4. Ramirez. Second, first personal foul, second team foul. First shot is good. Second team foul of Lion of Judah. First personal foul of Ramirez. Second shot is good. 2 out of 2. By Albi Cruz. Ramirez. Change favor na rin po. 45-43. 15 seconds to shoot. Lorenzo. Foul plus the basket. Foul by jersey number 31. Ryan Del Val. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
First lang ah. First lang. Oh, tama pa.
Bonus shot by Lorenzo. It's no good. Primo by Damasco. Pass to Umali. Umali pass to Cruz. Cruz to Moy. Sabi. Cruz. 47-45. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo to Moy. AJ. Lorenzo. Umali taking 3. Nugget. 3-5. Lorenzo. Lawrence Ramirez. Ramirez to Boys. Ramirez. Change favor na po. Foul. Foul by jersey number 4. Ramirez. Second person.
Ba't all 47 kanina? Yeah, ba't all 47 kanina?
All lang.
49-47.
Sobra lang isa. Sobra lang.
Taking 3. Nugget. 3-5 Serrano. To Ramirez. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. So Boys, ako the team. Wala na pong mandatory na. Kaya na po magpapahibot na. Kayo na po. Bunaw. Crossover mo by Bunaw. Bunaw. Pass to Baroy. Pass to Damasco. Nugget. 3-5. Foul. Foul by jersey number 31. Third personal foul. 7 first personal foul by Baroy. Umali. Third team foul of South Blue Knights. To Lorenzo. Foul. Foul by jersey number 16. Abi Cruz. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Blue Knights. To number 15. Short jumper. Nugget. 3-5. Temal. Pass to Punaw. Foul. Foul by jersey number 16. AJ Lorenzo. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Lion of Judah. Both teams. Warning for penalty. 51-47 in favor of Lion of Judah. Damasco. Damasco, Lordy Mabay. Primo Bertenpan. Out of bounds, 4 goes to Lion of Judah. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. To number 15. Wow. Foul by jersey number 31, Lion and Paul. Lion and Paul, warning for graduate. I'm sorry, Ryan and Paul. Third personal foul mo lang pala. Third ka pa lang pala. Third pa lang. Penalty. Sub time out? Oh, sub. Sub. Stand by for substitution. Pangatlo ka lang pala, Ryan and Paul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Salmanti in. Delban out. 47-53 in favor of Lion of Judah. Pass to Bruce. Taking three. Lagi dito by Serrano. Serrano pass to Ramirez. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Blue Knights. Bunao. Bunao. Pass to Salvante, taking three. Lagi, lima pa, Lorenzo. Lorenzo pushing through. Lorenzo pass to Ramirez. Ramirez. Pass to Lorenzo. Lorenzo pass to number 15. Lagi, lima pa, Salvante. To Bruce. 5 minutes and 45. To Womani. To Salvante. Salvante. 2 points. Sabi Cruz para Tumpa. 53-49. In favor of Lion of Judah. Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Lagi. Di mo pa Salvante. Salvante. Foul. Penalty. Foul by jersey number 1. Substitution. 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 Pasok po. Pasok po. Pasok po. Reyes Angeles in. Baroy and Bunao. Ay, Bunao and sino po lalabas? And Damasco out. Penalty votings. Serrano, second personal foul. First shot is good by P-Boy Cervante. Yung tubig po, nandito po sa kabila. Nandito po. Shot 2 by P-Boy Cervante. 53-51, 2-point lead by Lion of Judah. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramirez. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Serrano, short jumper to point. Serrano. To Reyes. Pass to Bruce. Bruce to Reyes. Taking three. Gary Reyes. 55-54. Isa na lang po malamangan. Lion of Judah. Serrano pass to number 15. To Boys, number 15. To Umali. Umali. Pass to Reyes. Umali to Boys. Karoy, Umali. Stand by for substitution. Stand by. Deadlock po ang sub sa deadlock. Para hindi na wala hindi pa pala po Serrano. Iski by Umali. Foul. Substitution yan. Substitution. Pasok na po. Pasok na po. Beliver in. Beliver in. Sino po lalabas? Sino po lumabas? Penalty. Penalty. Boys. Penalty. Lorenzo. Shooting 2. Baroy Umali. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kayo. Deadlock, all 57. 2 out of 2 by Baroy Umali. Change favor na po. 58-57. Serrano. 15 seconds to shoot. 2. Philippine taking 3. 3-5. Serrano. Foul. Foul by using number 7. Salpate. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. Shooting 2. Jaya. Substitution. Wait lang po. Standby.
Ilang bola ako?
Substitution. Pwede rin? Mamaya po. Pagkapasok ng pangalawa, mamaya po. Second shot. Makakukuha kaya? Substitution rin. Pasok po. Damasco in. Cruz out. 59-58. Change favor again. Balan Juda. To Umpali. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. To Damasco. Shot number 30. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Balan Juda. 3 minutes and 35 seconds of the third quarter. Ramirez to Agapito. No good. Agapito. Ball goes to Sablo Knights. To Salvante. To Umali. Umali pass to Damasco. Traveling without license. Ang sabi ni Red Pogi. Lapit lang po siya sa substitution. Standby for substitution. Paso number 15. Okay, di mo by Angeles. Pass to Umali. Substitution red. Pasok po. Seriliano in Damasco. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. To Beliber. Nugget, di mo by. Out of bounds. Stays with. Serrano. Pass to Ramirez. Du Bois. Ramirez. To Seriliano. Foul with jersey number 25. 28 pala, sorry. Beliber. First personal foul penalty. Shooting to Andrew Seriliano. First shot is good. Last shot, 2 out of 2 by Andrew Seriliano. To Serrano. 2 points. Junior DR Seriliano. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Paso Angeles. Taking 3. Joe Angeles. To Ramirez. Pass to Serrano. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Sablo Knights.
si Dave pinasa sa referee.
Salvante. Behind this back. Salvante. Pass to Seriliano. Taking pala. Block by number 15. To number 15. Traveling without license. Ang sabi ng Pogi. Bawas ng 10 years. Nahuli ka ng end-up idol. Sorry. Pass to Angeles. Taking 3.